Top 5 Best Mini Wood Lathe. Number 5. ArtyMaster WM101A Plus Mini Wood Lathe Machine. The ArtyMaster WM101A Plus is an impressive mini wood lathe machine designed to meet the needs of DIY enthusiasts and small project creators. With its sleek and compact design, it's perfect for crafting intricate items like wooden bowls, bracelets, pens, and more. Its solid steel base and headstock reduce vibrations to ensure stable and quiet operation, with noise levels kept below 65 decibel. Powered by a 96 watts high-torque motor, this lathe can handle high-hardness materials like wood, POM, and even metals such as copper. Its 0.4-inch spindle-through-hole and MT1 spindle interface offer versatility, while the 3-inch diameter and 8-inch length processing range accommodate a variety of projects. The infinitely variable speed control allows you to adapt to different cutting speeds, providing excellent precision for all your DIY needs. One of the key highlights of the ArtyMaster WM101A Plus is its full set of accessories, which includes professional turning tools with interchangeable heads, a 2-inch chuck set with a clamping range of 0.1 to 2.16 inches, a drive center, live center, centering ruler, and multiple adjustment wrenches. This makes the ArtyMaster an all-in-one solution for those looking to dive into woodturning and other precision tasks. Safety is a top priority with this lathe, featuring a all-certified power supply and high-strength steel construction, guaranteeing over 2,000 hours of continuous full-load operation. Whether you're a beginner or looking for a dedicated machine for detailed projects, the ArtyMaster WM101A Plus delivers exceptional performance and versatility in a compact package. Coming in number 4, PSI Woodworking KWL1018 BS Variable Speed Midi Lathe. PSI Woodworking SKWL1018 BS is a mid-tier lathe offering versatile performance at an affordable price. It features a 3/4 horsepower variable speed motor powered by an SBC microprocessor, designed for automotive applications, which provides precision control and enhanced reliability. With 2 belt positions, it operates at a speed range of 500 to 2000 RPM and 1500 to 3600 RPM, giving you options for both roughing and finishing work. The KWL1018 BS includes a digital readout for precise speed adjustments, making it ideal for delicate and detailed projects. It also features 24 indexing positions and a spindle lock, allowing for highly accurate positioning and control during operations like fluting and veining. The cast iron base ensures stability and reduces vibrations during turning, and optional extension beds are available for larger projects, extending the workpiece capacity up to 42 inches. Included in the package are useful accessories like a tool storage rack, work light with a flexible 18-inch cable, 2 tool rests, 6 and 12 inches, a 3-inch faceplate, spur drive center, and tailstock live center. Overall, the PSI KWL1018 BS offers a complete setup that will appeal to both beginner and experienced woodworkers seeking a midi lathe with variable speed control and advanced features. Coming in number 3, Rikon Power Tools 70105 Mini Lathe. The Rikon 70105 Mini Lathe was designed with pen turners in mind. Built with cast iron construction, this lathe provides a sturdy, vibration-free experience compared to lathes made from aluminum. Its 0.5 horsepower motor offers ample power to handle all sorts of turning tasks, with a 10-inch swing and 18 inches between centers. This mini lathe boasts a 5-speed range, covering 500, 1175, 1850, 2225, and 3200 RPM. This allows for flexibility in different stages of pen turning, from boring barrel holes to fine finishing. The self-ejecting tailstock makes it easier to switch between tasks, improving overall workflow efficiency. Included with the Rikon 70105 are essential tools like a live center, tool rest, knockout bar, and wrenches. This machine excels at delivering precision in smaller scale projects, making it a dedicated and reliable choice for hobbyists and seasoned woodworkers alike. Its solid build and straightforward controls ensure a smooth, consistent experience, making the Rikon 70105 a favorite for pen turners. Coming in number 2, Jet 10x15 JWL1015 Woodworking Lathe. The Jet 10x15 JWL1015 lathe is designed for both beginners and experienced woodworkers who need a reliable mini lathe in their workshop. Its 6 spindle speeds, ranging from 500 to 3,975 RPM, allow you to adjust the rotation to the ideal setting, whether you're roughing out a blank or finishing your piece with precision. Additionally, the 24-position indexing system helps you hold your work at just the right orientation for intricate operations like fluting or drilling. This lathe is known for its enhanced rigidity, featuring wider bedways for increased stability, ensuring a smoother operation with less vibration. The tailstock comes with a live center, which significantly improves gripping performance during turning. Maintenance is simple, thanks to an improved tensioning system that makes belt access easy for speed adjustments. Backed by Jet's 5-year Red Assurance warranty, this lathe stands out for its durability and long-lasting performance. Whether you're working on smaller projects or honing your craft, the Jet KWL1018 provides a powerful and versatile platform to bring your ideas to life. Coming in number 1, Wen LA3421 Mini Benchtop Wood Lathe. With the Wen LA3421 Mini Benchtop Wood Lathe, you can enjoy crafting your own projects with ease. This compact, variable-speed lathe provides a wide range of customization, operating between 750 to 3,200 rotations per minute (RPM), giving you control over the precision and speed of your work. The MT1 spindle and tailstock taper secure your workpieces, ensuring stability while you work on detailed projects. The lathe is equipped with 2 tool rests, 4.5-inch and 7-inch, that offer support for your chisels and tools, while the 3.2 amp motor ensures smooth and continuous operation. Its lever clamping system allows for quick adjustments, making it easy to reposition the tailstock or tool rest for different tasks. Wen also supplies a full set of accessories, including a flat wrench, headstock spur center, tailstock cup center, knockout rod, and a 2.3-inch faceplate for non-spindle projects. To top it off, the product comes with a 2-year warranty and access to nationwide service technicians, so you're never left without support. If you're eager to start small-scale woodturning projects like pens or chess pieces, the Wen LA3421 offers excellent value and reliability.